Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be painting my stairs. So as you can see, they've been worn over time. I'm actually going to show you the floorboard paint that I'm going to be using. I'm going to continue to paint it white because it's very dark in this hallway, so I want to brighten it up. So let's go up. You can see some of the marks. This is why we have a patchy and not nice stairs at the moment. Never ever repainted it. So I've got this Ronseal floorboard paint in white. Saw some good reviews on it. So as you can see, this is the landing. So yeah, let's get the paint. It's all prepped, it's all been dusted, and it's all been wiped with a damp cloth. And now we are going to get ready to paint. So this is the paint that I'm going to be using. As you can see, it's the Ronseal, it's the floor paint, it's in a white satin, and it's the diamond hard. So I can leave a link down below. Got this one from Amazon. What is the size? This is a 2.5 litre. So I'm going to open it, and yeah, I mean, it says on there about 3 coats. So it's always good to look at the instructions. And yeah, we're going to get this open and I'll show you. Okay, so if we look at this, it does say that this tin will cover 10 metres squared with 3 coats. So that's great. It recoat and walk over in 4 hours, fully hard in 72 hours. So yeah, so obviously, you know, preparation, you have to obviously take into consideration the weather, the preparation of the floors. So yeah, make sure you give it a good stir, and I have shaken this. I've given it a good shake, and I'm going to stir it, and yeah, we're gonna get on with it. I'm going to paint. I'm not going to use a roller. I'm going to paint such a small area. It's just for the stairs and a small landing. Otherwise I would use a roller. And yeah, so let's get on with it.